So today I found another job opportunity where you can work from home remotely just about anywhere in the world, and you can use this to make some money. Now, disclaimer here, this job doesn't pay the highest of any of the jobs I've talked about. And actually, for some people, this may only be good as supplementary income, especially if you have something going on. Maybe you already have a job or you just want a side gig or something to make you a couple extra $100 per month or $1,000 per month. This can do it, but this may not be a really good, reliable primary stream of income because it doesn't pay the most. However, the plus here is that you don't have to be on the phone. Most remote work from home jobs are going to be customer service related. So if you're looking for a remote job and you're not in the US, I mean, if you're in the US, then you can still do this, you can get paid. But if you're outside and you're in some other country, you can do this. You don't have to be on the phone. You don't have to do inbound calls, outbound calls. You don't have to do any of that stuff. And you'll actually be a transcriptionist. And this is a really easy job, and they're always hiring. Now, there are some pluses here, and there is a way to actually make a lot more money. I'll talk about that in the video. But just before we get there, guys, just a quick reminder, if you are new here, my name is Eann. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money, bank accounts, credit cards, everything to do with personal finance. So if you like videos like these, you want to keep these videos coming, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free, won't cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you won't miss the updates of when I post new videos just like this one. And if you ever want to talk to me one-on-one, you can message me on Instagram. A link is down below or here on the screen. And by the way, guys, if you did message me on Instagram asking me about jobs or just anything personal finance related, and I have not responded, then I will respond to you. It's just that I didn't realize that a lot of people were actually going to DM me, and I have over 600 DMs, but I promise I will go through my DMs and I will respond. So message me if you want to talk to me. I will respond if I haven't responded. But with that said, let's get right into this video. Now, the company that I want to talk about today is going to be GoTranscript. Now, GoTranscript, as you can see here, has transcription jobs available worldwide. So no matter what country you're in or where you are, you can actually use this opportunity to make some money. Now, I'll show you guys how much you can actually make here. So they say on average, you get paid 60 cents per audio or video minute. So for every single minute of video or audio that you transcribe, you're gonna get paid on average 60 cents. And by the way, there's a way to make a lot more than 60 cents. I found that there was a way to make up to or over $8 per minute, which is really high, which could be a lot of money. However, not everyone will qualify for that, but I'll still go through it in this video, so stick around for that. But on average, you can make around $150 per month. And if you're in the top earners, you're gonna make around $1,215 per month. So again, probably not the best job if you want a primary source of income, but if you need something for supplementary income or you just need something to do in your free time, then this could be it. And if you don't have a job, this is something that you could also do. You could work on this while you're currently looking for another job. Now, as always with these jobs, there'll be scams, so be sure to look out for fake emails or people trying to get you to sign up and pay for something. This is 100% free. You don't need to sign up and pay for anything. And if we go into their FAQs, some of the questions that are always asked are like, one, do you hire worldwide? Yes, they do. Do you need to pay any fees? No, you do not. So if anyone emails you or tries to contact you and tell you that you need to pay some fees to get a job, then that is a scam, so don't fall for it. Now, these are the languages, right? So if you speak English and that's all you know, then that's fine. You can still be a transcriptionist here. You can still make money. However, if you speak any of these languages right here, or multiple of these languages, then you could make a lot more money. And I'll get into that in a bit. But if you're bilingual, trilingual, you speak a lot of languages, then you're gonna make a lot more money here. Now, we could actually go over to Glassdoor and look at some of the reported salaries from people who actually worked here and to see what they also said about this company, whether they enjoyed the job or not. And we'll do that in a sec. But let's look at the services that this company actually provides. So this is what they do for their clients. For transcriptions, they charge their clients around 77 cents per minute. For captions, they charge them around $1.11 per minute. For text translations, they charge them around 6 cents per minute. Not a lot of money, or 6 cents per word rather. Now for audio translations, they charge around $8 per minute. And for foreign subtitles, they charge rather $8.50 per minute. So as you can see here, for transcriptions, they're charging their clients around 77 cents per minute, but they're paying you around 60 cents per minute. So you're actually making the bulk of the money. GoTranscript is like a middleman. They pocket the difference just for having the platform to, link you and the client together. And that's how they make their money. But you're making the bulk of the money here. However, if you know multiple languages, then you could do foreign subtitles. That pays a lot more. Now, they don't say how much they pay for this on the website, and we'll go to Glassdoor to try to figure that out. But as you can see here, they charge $77 per minute and they pay 60 cents per minute, or 77 cents per minute rather, and they pay 60 cents per minute. So naturally, if they're charging $8 per minute for an audio translation or $8.50 for foreign subtitles, then you're gonna make a lot more if you can do those jobs. So if you can't, then you can make around 60 cents per minute. But if you can make a lot more money here. So it may not be a primary source of income, it could be supplementary, but depending on if you know other languages, you can make a lot more money here. Now let's actually go over to Glassdoor. And actually before we do that, there's a short video here. I won't play it, but you guys can come here. I'll leave the link down below. You can watch the video. The video basically shows you all the steps and what you need to do to apply for this position and get hired here to work, and you'll be a freelance transcriptionist and you can work whenever you want. Now let's go over to Glassdoor and look at some of the salaries. And actually, before we even look at the salaries, I was just reviewing this. Let's look at the company overview. So here they have a 3.9 out of 5 stars, which is really good. Most of the companies I review usually have like a 3.6 or 3.7. And some of the reviews here are really good. For example, the first one here is a 5-star review. It says, good. Pros, you can work from home. Cons, sometimes you spend so much time on a audio file. So you may get audio files, probably you'll get even movies to transcribe. Those will take you literally hours. So this is not a very exciting job. This is a boring position. So if you can't handle a boring job, then this is probably not for you. And we could look at some other reviews as well. They have almost 500 reviews here. And so, for example, the first one was good. The second one is a 4-star. It says, they provide a good platform for exposure to freelancers. Cons, they could raise their pay rates, especially for transcribers. Again, 60 cents per minute is probably not a lot of money, but again, this is easy. I mean, all you're doing is listening to audio files, probably watching a movie and transcribing it. So it's an easy job, but it does take a lot of time and it's a boring job. Next review here is working review at GoTranscript. Good customer support and job opportunities, great human transcription accuracy. Cons, I don't know yet. I'm glad to work here. So this person was happy working for GoTranscript. So you're gonna find a lot of good reviews here. Let's actually go and look at some of the salaries. And most of the salaries here are probably going to be salaries reported from the US and not worldwide. So this may differ depending on where you're looking this job or where you're applying from. But here on average, a transcriptionist in the US makes around $47,582, anywhere from $39,000 to $59,000. And different people report the salaries as different things. Transcriptionist and freelance transcriptionist are pretty much the same thing. Also freelance transcriber. They're all the same thing, just different people with different job titles. So anywhere from around 30 to 50K is what you can make here. Now, from time to time, GoTranscript also has other jobs. So for example, recruiters, search engine evaluator, all these other jobs are here. So you could also apply for different jobs here as well. But for this video, I'm just talking about the transcriptionist position, which can pay you that amount of money. So if you are bilingual, you speak many languages, you can make a lot of money here. $8 per minute is a lot. If not, you can still make around 60 cents per minute Either way, you can make some money. This works anywhere in the world. So be sure to check this out if you're looking for a work from home opportunity, because this is probably going to be one of the easiest jobs that you can get right now. Now, that said, let's go and look at some of the other job opportunities they have here. Some may be remote, some may not. So careers at GoTranscript, here they have a couple open positions. They have a Google product expert. They have a senior account manager for Spanish speaking markets. They have a sales representative for Spanish speaking markets. So from time to time, you'll find different jobs here, which will pay you more than the regular transcriptionist position. So be sure to check both the careers page and also check out the transcriptionist position, because either way you can make a lot of money, and most likely you're going to be working remotely from home. So all in all, I think this is a really good opportunity, even though it doesn't pay a lot of money, or potentially the entry-level part won't pay you as much as other work from home jobs. It's also a really low demanding job and also a really simple and easy job. So apply for the job here, and you can do this job while you continue to apply for other work from home jobs. And with that said, all the best with finding that dream work from home job, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.